Parada Samskara. So Samskara means, as quoted in Charaka Vimanasthana, first chapter, Samskaro hi gunantaradanam uchante. So samskara is a processing method by which transformation of the qualities occur. So by this samskara, it helps to change the property of the drug, and also it helps to enhance the quality of the drug. So that is the samskara. So this word samskara is derived from sama upasarga purvaka krut dhatu krudhatu by adding krut pratyaya, which makes the word samskara. Okay, so samskara means to process, okay, or to prepare. So the definition of samskara and the detail regarding the samskara concept is explained in Charaka Vimanasthana, first chapter, Rasa Vimana Adhyaya. So here, Parada Samskara means it's a special processing method of the mercury. Okay, so it is other than Shodhana, that is a Samanya Shodhan and Vishesha Shodhan. So the main difference between Samskara and Shodhana is, as quoted in Dhanvantari Samhita, Shodhanam Doshaharanam Samskarascha Bala Tejaso Abhivardhanam. So here meaning is Shodhana, it helps to remove only the impurities of the any drug. That is Shodhanam Dosharana. But Samskara, along with removal of the impurities, even it helps to increase the strength and potency of the drug. So that's what the difference between Samskara and Shodhana is defined as Shodhanam Dosharanam Samskarascha Bala Tejaso Abhivardhanam. So, Parada doshas, as you know, Naisargika doshas are three in number: Vishadosha, Vanhi dosha, and Mala dosha. Yogika dosha, Naga dosha, Vanga dosha. Upadika doshas are Parpati, Patini, Bedi, Dravi, Malakari, Andakari, and Dvangshi. So here the samskaras also helps to remove the impurities of the drug and also increases the strength and potency of the drug. Okay. Then the question arises why the samskaras are required for the mercury, the necessity of the samskara for mercury. So as it is mentioned in Rasa Tarangini, 5th chapter, 43rd shloka, Rasayana Prayogeshu Rasagama Visharada Rasarajam Prayujitam Karmashtakam Vishodhitam. So Rasayana Prayogeshu Rasagama Visharadai. So while discussing Shodhana, Parada Shodhana, as I told you, so Shodhita Parada is only used for Roga Shamanartha. If we need to use the mercury for Rasayanartha, then it's supposed to undergo Ashta Samskaras of Bharata. Clear? Rasayana Prayogeshu Rasagama Visharadai. If the Rasavaidya wants to use this mercury for Rasayana Prayoga, then Rasarajam Prayunjitam. He has to use the mercury which has undergone Karma Ashtaka. That is a Ashta Karmas of Parada. Rasarajam Prayunjitam Karmashtakam Vishodhitam. The Rasavaidya is supposed to use the mercury which has purified by following Parada Ashta Samskaras. So that's why Parada it requires Ashta Samskara. But almost all the acharyas have mentioned about total 18 samskaras. So the total number of samskaras, as mentioned, almost all acharyas are totally 18 in number, but some of them even consider 19th samskara as yoga or bhakshana kriya. The Parada Bhakshana or Parada Yoga is considered as 19th samskara according to few acharyas. But in almost all the Rasa textbook, our acharyas have mentioned total 18 samskaras. So out of 18, for Dehavada, only first 8 samskaras are sufficient. So no need to continue with Ashtadasha samskara. Ashtadasha means 18. So for Dehavada, so first 8 samskaras are sufficient. So that's what for your second year syllabus, only first 8 samskaras are recommended. So as quoted in Rasparangini, Sutassaita cha samskaraha katito deha karmani. The first 8 samskaras are especially recommended for deha karma or dehavada. So dehavada means improving the health and longevity of the person. So the first 8 samskaras are mainly recommended for dehavada, and the remaining 10 samskaras are recommended for lohavada. So tatacha dasha samskaraha deha lohakaraha smrtaha. So the remaining 10 samskaras are especially recommended for lohavada kriya. So that's what. So only the first 8 samskaras are studied in detail. Then the quantity of parada to be taken for samskara and shodhana. So the minimum quantity of parada which is used for samskara or shodhana is minimum of 1 palamatra, that is 48 grams. If we take less than 48 grams of mercury, then at the end of the procedure, so we lose all the mercury. So the loss of mercury is more if we take less than 1 palamatra. So as mentioned in Rasatarangine, 5th chapter, 17th shloka, Palanam shatakam grahyam tadardam ardhamatapi palanam dashakam vapi panchakam va falonmitam palat nyunam na sangrahyam samskaratam raso budaihi bahu prayasa sadhyatvat labha abhavascha nishchitam. So if we take less than 1 palamatra, so it is very difficult to get the end product, and also labha abhava. We won't get any benefit out of that procedure. So that's what minimum of 1 pala of mercury to be taken for the samskar. So here, as per the shloka reference of Rasatarangini, so the quantity of parada to be taken for samskara or shodhana is palanam shatakam. That is 100 palas of parada is used for samskara. Otherwise, tadardam. Tadardam means 50 palas of parada. Tadardam matapi means again 25 palas. Otherwise, palanam dashakam 10 palas. Vapi panchakam at least 5 palas. Va falonmitam minimum is of 1 pala falonmitam. Falat nyunam, if you take less than 1 phala, so at the end there will be no profit. So that's what for samskara and for shodhana, minimum of mercury to be taken is 1 palamatra. The same reference is available in Rasaratna Samuchaya also in 11th chapter, 27th shloka. Clear?